So in this video I'll be talking about Google Hangouts, which is a social media service basically for video, voice and messaging. I'll just be covering the basics here today, and then maybe in a future video tutorial I'll have a look at actually how you run a chat basically live, and we'll get a group going. We'll see how that goes. So just the basics, and let's get cracking. So Google Hangouts. For people who haven't used Google Hangouts, it's basically sort of similar to Skype, except that you can add a few other things as well. So you can talk to a lot of people at once, do a group call essentially, call phone numbers, and then you can also keep that conversation going across a few different devices. The main useful feature, I guess, I find is that using it for collaboration, especially where you have documents involved. And I obviously use it for various meetings as well. So there's an example meeting over here with the AMA, Doctors in Training Group, which we use it for, so that I can basically sit in Rockhampton and tune into the people down in Brisbane. So we'll just run through quickly because I'm not going to spend too much time on Google Hangouts. Firstly, you've got your contacts. It wants to access my iPad contacts here. I'm going to say no. Then you've got favorite contacts. Then you've got your chats. So this is where you can start the chats, and then basically you can make a call to people as well. So this is essentially dialing a number to call someone. Again, if I wanted to, I'll see if there's anyone online that I can trust, but if you wanted to call someone, you basically click on their name. You can either send them a message, you can try and call them like Skype, or a video or voice call essentially, or just send them a message. So it's a fairly simple app overall, it's not too complicated. You can invite people to these chat groups, you can mute your mic, which is useful in big conference calling situations, because otherwise you get a bit of static, you get a bit of details about who's involved in those chats. And that's pretty much about it really. And your profile's up here, you can change your status and do various things, but that's a quick overview of Google Hangouts. Don't forget to check out socialmediagp.org for more information, and also the remainder of our guides on YouTube.